Hello and welcome to a Max the Epic YouTube video. And so if you read the title of the video, you know what this is. But if you don't, if you didn't for some reason, or if you don't know what this is, you're just seeing this ominous case. Well, I will show what it is right now. Let's see. There's the zipper. Right, so I proudly present mine. The Toshiba Satellite Pro. Now that's a Now that's what we call a laptop. Look at this thing. It's massive. All right. Actually, let me compare this to something bigger. All right. So here is my Sega Master System, pretty big. So let's compare the size. Wow. I mean, the Master System is slightly bigger, but like, if you have one of these or if you've seen one, you know how big they are. The fact that this thing is almost as big is pretty incredible. So anyway, let's get back to looking at the laptop itself. So first, let's look at these accessories contained in this wonderful area here. So first, we got pretty much just a phone cable that I used to connect to the internet back in the ye old days of 1996 or whatever. He has to connect it to the telephone. We got these little bits, which are something related to this, but you'll see. And we got the external floppy disk drive. Look at this thing. Matching. And we got... well, we have one floppy disk. There's the others. And... here are the others. And then we got these wonderful earbuds. Absolutely wonderful. So we're going to do a test. We're going to test these out right now. So after that brief segue, let's get back to the laptop. So I'm just going to take all this stuff off. And we're going to get ready for an epic test. Epic, yo. Here's the whammy, wowie, zowie, epic test thingy. So first, let's just open this bad boy up. Yeah, now that's a screen and that's a keyboard. If you haven't noticed, there's no mouse. So pretty much what it is, it's just this little thingy right here. You move this around and you click these for clicks. I don't know which one's left and which one's right. And it's got a keyboard. It's a pretty high quality keyboard. Nice and clicky. You know, standard laptop keys. So, we also got the external floppy drive. And also that, so what these bits are for, so you can like take this thing completely off, as you can see. Which is like this weird stub. It's like, what are we in between a key? It's weird. So, yeah, that's what that is. Now, the connection for the floppy disk drive is actually over by the power button here. Just flip them in this tab. Just connect them up. Connect them all. Sounds like totally sounds like a product, don't it? Alright, so we're all connected up. I did charge this slightly beforehand. So we got the floppy disks. Alright, so let's turn it on and see what it does. I always forget where the power button is. Alright. It says it's on. Takes a second to get on. And then here, mate, look at this. Incredible. 1996. That was... that was 25 years ago. Wow. This thing takes a while to boot up. Also, just put in a floppy disk as that loads in. And just spins it. And you see, like, if you move this, you can see that's a magnetic disc inside. It's like magnetic material. Then on the back is this. That's like a physical spinning thing. The motor inside uses to spin. And this thing right here is what's called a write protect notch, and so it's open right now. You can see you can go through. So there's like a laser inside there that, like, if it can shine through this, then it knows it's okay to write to that disk. If you do this, then boom, you can't write anything to the disk. There's nothing on this disk, I don't think. I'm not totally sure. I haven't seen this thing run ever. So is this what do we get? So it hasn't, but it doesn't really do anything, mainly because it doesn't have a hard drive, so that's the main problem. So this video was sort of a call for help. If anyone in the comments knows anything about these old things, just like email me if you like need any information or whatever. It's like, yeah, I need help. I have no clue what I'm doing. I do have the hard drive physically right here. This is the original hard drive. It just doesn't work. You know, it looks like. If you need any more information about it, anyone, just email me or just put it in the comments or whatever. So this insert's like inside somewhere. I forgot where, because I took this out a while ago, because it doesn't do anything. It's broken. Yeah, but all right, and I think that's the end of part 1 of this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, but if you didn't, well, that's why you're still here. All right, but anyway, have a great day and continue existing. Okay, hi, got a little update. So while I was actually editing this video, I was going to go turn this off, but like, whoa, it's doing a bunch of weird stuff. There's like stuff we can do here. So that's weird. You know, there's stuff you can do. End. Where's the end button? We're gonna find that. I'll have another update on this probably. All right, update 2. We are on this screen now, and it did whatever the memory test is, and can't do anything now. Interesting. What if I try and load something on disk? Do you even register that's in? Can't do any commands. Can't do anything. Alright, I think that's the end of the video now. Goodbye.